You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this football club, Italian pronunciation club from Emilia-Romagna, the city of Parma. The Italian pronunciation and how you can easily say it in English. More videos about football at the end of the video. Parma, that's how you say Parma in Italian. Parma Calcio. Calcio means football, soccer if you want. Calcio. Parma Calcio is the the Italian pronunciation in Italian. Parma Calcio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.